Ever since electric cars started showing up on North American streets, tire companies have started making tires specifically for electric vehicles, but not Continental Tire. I'll explain why today as we talk tires. So because electric vehicles are different from traditional gas or diesel vehicles, the conventional wisdom is, well, they need special tires. Why is that? Well, electric cars are heavier, so they need tires that can support their weight. Electric vehicles are quieter, so they need tires that make less noise. Electric vehicles need to maximize the distance that they can travel on a fully charged battery, so they need tires that offer low rolling resistance. And finally, electric vehicles have electric motors that produce instant torque, so they need tires that can handle all that instant torque. This is why we're seeing many tire brands coming out with tires made specifically for electric vehicles. However, Continental Tire recently announced that they are not jumping on this EV bandwagon. No. In a recent news release, they explained that they're not going to be making tires specifically for electric vehicles. Why? Because all their tires are so good, they say, that they can be used for conventional gas or diesel vehicles as well as electric vehicles. So in that news release, Continental said every single tire in Continental's current product range already meets the exact requirements of electric vehicles and hybrids. And to back up this claim, they stated that in that news release that 9 of the 10 most successful electric car manufacturers rely on Continental already. In other words, many electric vehicles roll out of the factory on Continental tires, even though they don't make tires for electric vehicles. According to a tire industry magazine, Tire Business, electric vehicles made by Tesla, Audi, General Motors, and Nissan are factory fitted with tires from Continental. And in their news release, Continental added Porsche, Mercedes-Benz, Kia, and Ford to that list of manufacturers. So the message to all EV owners is simple. If these major brands trust Continental to supply their electric vehicles with tires, even though none of the tires are specifically made for electric vehicles, well, you should trust Continental too. And to clear up any confusion, Continental will start adding this logo to the sidewall of all their new tires. It tells consumers that the tire is EV compatible and that it's just fine to use whether you drive an electric car or not. Now, I can't vouch for these claims because I haven't driven on all of Continental's tires, and certainly not while pushing an electric vehicle to its limits. But if in fact their existing lineup of tires already offers all the qualities electric vehicle owners need and expect in a tire, then it would make sense that they're not developing a specific line just for EVs. So if you own an EV, you'll want to keep this in mind the next time you go shopping for tires and the guy behind the counter tells you, well, you can choose from a number of EV-specific tires from a variety of manufacturers, or you can go for pretty much anything Continental makes because all their tires are EV compatible. Now, whether you drive an EV or not, you may be wondering if low rolling resistance tires will really improve your mileage, or if this whole low rolling resistance thing is a clever marketing gimmick. Well, this video here has the surprising answer. As always, thanks for watching.